So I made this video, this is on my MacBook Pro 2022 M1 Max. So get this issue where I'm using OBS Studio and I've set up this display capture to capture my desktop display and it doesn't seem to be working. I've got no preview. So let's just get in here. I've created this scene and let's just create this other capture just to show you what's going on. And look, I can't see any displays. You'll see the display thing above it says display device not connected or not available. So I've done a wee bit of research on YouTube and Google and I've seen a video that says I am actually missing a setting. So back over my desktop here and we'll just open up the system preferences on the Mac and we go to security and privacy and we'll scroll down here to screen recording and you see that OBS is in there but it isn't allowed. So we'll open this wee padlock up and I'll use my Touch ID to authorise this. So you could put in your password. And we just need to tick this OBS setting and we need to quit and reopen OBS for these changes to take effect, and that should then give OBS the ability to be able to record the screen on the Mac. So as you can see now, there's a preview window and it's previewing OBS. So obviously if it's previewing OBS, it's just kind of going back and back and back and back. It's kind of into infinity, but you can select a different display here. So here's a built-in Mac Retina display, and as you can see, I can go and start recording what I'm doing on that screen. So if you want to record web pages or whatnot, you can do that here. So I hope this has helped because it was really annoying, and a big shout out to the people out there who have already figured this out and I've just kind of made a video of what they've already shown us. Thanks for watching, guys. Give me a wee thumbs up if you like this, subscribe, click the wee notification bell if you want to see any notifications for upcoming video releases, and on this screen there will be some links to my other videos. Please give them a wee click. And if you would like to leave a comment, please keep them constructive. And thanks again for watching. Bye.